Good morning, beautiful people. My foot is so swollen this morning, and it hurts so bad. Ow. It hurts way worse than yesterday. Ow. So I'm so slow now, compared to how I usually work. So instead of doing all my chores in the morning like I usually do, I'm gonna have to come out here and do them in sections. Hey! What you doing, buddy? What are you doing, Chicken? What's up, beautiful guys? Good morning, beautifuls. How y'all doing this morning? Good morning, beautiful birds. Good morning, birds. Y'all got water still. Y'all just need some fizzing this morning. Y'all still got a little water. How about I just give y'all some food and then we'll start off fresh after that. Drink some coffee and I'll top off all y'all's water, fresh water for everybody. How about that? How about that? Jojo! How about that? Let's just get him going. So I can take some ibuprofen, drink some coffee, and I can release the rest of the birds. So that's 7 a.m. Damn it, I thought I was recording. I guess I wasn't. I got a really swollen up foot this morning, guys. And I got 2 fractures in there. So I can't work on my normal. I can't do all my chores at once. Juju! I'm gonna have to do them in sections. Because it's hurting really freaking bad. Ow, it hurts every step, dude. I'm gonna be minimum of what I can and cannot do. Hey, there's my blonde hair beauty. Hey, Jojo. No, that got hurt, dude. My foot is killing me. A bunch of y'all up in that indica cage. I gotta fix that. Oh, my foot is killing me, guys. I hurt something bad this morning. And my bird's gotta eat, and my dog's gotta eat. Jojo, Billy! Billy! No! Go to the house! That is not for you to eat! Badger, no! No! No eating that! Be easy. Easy, Jojo! Junior, come on, come here. Now, above you go! God damn it! Stop checking them chickens. You are one of my chickens. We gotta have a fight. No fight. Stop eating the food. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. Stop. Come here, Billy. Come on, Junior. Good boy. Come here, Billy. Now. Good girl, little bit. Now, Billy. Come on. Billy got it. Now. Up. That one had died. Take care of that. And then this one wasn't feeling good. And it went ahead and died too. So we had 2 dead chickens in the last. We've had 4 dead chickens in the last week. And I don't know what the hell's going on. Besides changing up things like we've been doing. That one black one was outside the whole time. But the other one always had an infection in the eye. One of my words, I found her yesterday and she was not doing very good. And then today, we guessed was just the end. Come on, guys, out! 4 dead birds, man. It's not good, guys. I mean, out! Okay, out. That means I need to wash out all those, give them all new water with electrolytes. We have to figure out something. Something ain't working in here. We have to change up some stuff, guys. What ain't you eating, buddy? Go get you some food. That one don't look good either. Why is that one's gizzard so swollen? Oh, something's definitely wrong with that one. He's all swole up. His whole gizzard is swollen. I need to get bigger water containers for them. Some's gonna last more than 2 hours. That should feed the rest of the chickens. Because there ain't that food in there. See, these cages open up a lot more work for me to have to do. A lot more maintenance than the free range, you know. A whole lot more work. Not less work, more work. Because that's individual people I have to help. Y'all are the real producers. Y'all should get as much food as y'all want. Y'all the only ones giving me eggs that's worth anything. So far. Okay, y'all need fresh water. Sorry, I don't know why it stopped working. Alright guys, let's go. I'll come deal with y'all chickens in a minute. I'll dig a hole for y'all. I was gonna burn y'all in there. Come on, a little bit now. I was gonna burn y'all, but it's not been wet enough. Oh, y'all need water. Okay. Okay, I'll get you some water too. Alright, y'all. No, this ain't like normal. Because I haven't released the other birds yet. I released them around 11. That way they have a chance to lay some eggs. Come on, guys! Come on, Juju! Junior! Hey! Easy! Man, y'all tore that shit out, didn't y'all? Hey, guys! Alright, I gotta get off my foot. It is so bad, guys. Then I'll come back and feed my dogs on the hill. Then I'll take a break and I'll go feed my dogs on the down at the bottom of the hill. And then I'll release all the birds. God bless y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. And remember, through God, all things are possible. Get out there and live your dreams. We got up and downs in this world. Sometimes we go through trials and tribulations. We got to just push forward and keep on striving. God bless you. All I ask is you hit that like button, push that notification. It really helps take care of all these wonderful birds. God bless you and peace.